Ensure to stay around till the end. There is a bonus worth thousands of dollars. Meet HumanBot, your all-in-one AI-powered assistant designed to supercharge your business productivity. Whether you are a small business owner, content creator, or entrepreneur, HumanBot simplifies your daily tasks with the power of ChatGPT. Tired of juggling customer inquiries, scheduling meetings, and writing emails all at once? Time is money, and inefficiency is costly. With HumanBot, automate customer support, book appointments, answer FAQs, and even draft content while you focus on growing your business. Enjoy 24/7 customer engagement, zero missed leads, and more free time to focus on what really matters. HumanBot isn't just a tool, it's your virtual team member, enhancing your workflow. Visualize the benefits with stats. Save over 20 hours a week and respond 10 times faster to customer inquiries. Experience the business dashboard simulation that highlights how HumanBot integrates into your daily operations. Stay tuned, as we have a powerful bonus coming up to elevate your productivity even further. Don't forget to like and subscribe. As a thank you for watching, we're gifting you our exclusive guide, 10 Productivity Hacks for Business Owners. This PLR bonus is packed with AI-powered tips to help you automate, organize, and scale your operations efficiently. Customize this guide with your own logo, share it with clients, or use it to build trust with leads. It's 100% editable and yours to keep, ensuring you have the tools needed for success. Ready to experience the future of business productivity? Start using HumanBot today, and don't forget to download your bonus guide below.